What is up, YouTube fam? TJP Fishing Outdoors, and we are taking the boat out with you guys for the first time crappie fishing. I'm gonna bring my dad along with me, so you know it's gonna be a great time. I'm so excited to get the boat back on the water and see hopefully what we catch. Last time we were out there, I broke my rod. So coming in at the verse of the day, we have Matthew 5:3. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. So take that verse with you throughout your week. I got some crappie poles rigged up. Dad's getting ready to go. Got my snacks, of course, Cheez-Its grips. Got my dooski, and we are gonna head to the lake. Alrighty, so we made it to the lake and we're finally got it unloaded and everything like that. So we're gonna hopefully head over to that tree line. That's just my depth alarm, but we're gonna crank this up. This is my dad here eating his chips and got his famous shirt on.
On my fans only shirt. People gave me this. Fans only.
Oh, there we go. We got one. Just like that. See, just like that. First fish, not a crappie, but a bass will do. First bass. Not first bass in the boat, but
Wet?
no.
Huh?
Cute little feller. What would you do with this?
Beat it! Thanks for playing. Give it a kiss. What?
Thanks for playing, buddy. But hey, Dad's got his first fish. Wow, look at that slab. Look at that slab of a crappie. Wow.
Hang on a minute. Brought to you today by Just Beat It. Beat it! Beat it! Beat it!
Oh, oh, oh. Fish. We got a fish.
Hang on a minute. Let go of my line. Look at that, boys.
We got a fish, boys.
Record.
Hold this up here.
Hang on. God, let go.
Look at that.
PBR.
PBR right there is what he says.
You gotta beat it.
Beat it.
Beat it! I got this. Beat it. See?
Yep. Kiss it. Let's weigh it.
Man,
Gotta
it
see.
smells like poop.
Gotta see exactly how much she weighs.
Okay, we gotta hurry. She's drying out.
6 ounces.
What is that good? That's like
amazing.
a record. Okay, toss her in. Thanks for playing.
Thanks for playing. You got something? He's got something. Ladies and gentlemen, he's got...
Did you see that 14 pounder?
Oh.
14 pounder just jumped off there.
It's like 2 ounces.
It was like a bluegill. It gave me that.
There we go. There we go. Little bluegill action. Now we got bass, crappie, and bluegill in the boat. There we go. Beautiful little bluegill. Thanks for playing. There it is. There it is. Wow, this one's a fighter. Beautiful bluegill. Beautiful. Trying. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful bluegill. There we go.
Game on.
Game on, he says.
Lost it.
What were you gaming on?
13 pounder.
Really? We're so shallow it doesn't even read. Oh, there it is.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, right there.
Was it? Look at that slab, baby. Look at that slab.
That's what I was trying to tell you. That's what I caught. That was my fish.
Whoops.
Here. Beat it.
Beat it! Oh, Dad! We're not beating it.
Beat it. Beat it.
Seven ounces, 3/4. Beautiful. Beautiful slab of a bluegill. Dad's upset because I caught his fish. Alrighty guys, so we are putting the boat up. It was a great day of fishing. Caught, I don't know how many fish, but caught some bluegill. Dad caught a crappie and a bass. I caught a bass. So it was a great day of fishing on the boat for the first time. I'm glad I got to bring you guys along. So if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 150 subs by the end of September. If I do, I'll be giving away Guggen Squad Mondo optics. And yeah, I appreciate everybody subscribing. Thank you so much for tuning in. And take the rest of the day with you, and I'll catch you guys on the water. Peace!